Alright, so look what arrived in the post this morning. The Aiper Seagull Pro pool cleaner. I'm just about to give it its maiden voyage. So as you can see, the pool is reasonably dirty. There's a few leaves in the bottom. So it's fully charged. We're going to give it a go, see how it goes. Never used one of these things before. Let's have a look. So we need to first, I think, peel off that protective thing. We don't want that in there. Alright, now we need to set it to what are we setting it to? Run it pool, walls plus floor, that one. Okay, let's get it in the water, see how it goes. She's in. Sinking slowly down to the bottom. Fans have started. Not moving yet. Oh, it's coming up the wall at me. Okay. There it goes. Probably going to turn around. I think I might have put him in backwards. Okay, and it's cleaning. So it shouldn't be doing the walls at the moment, it should just be doing the floor. You can see there. It should turn and come back on itself now, I'd imagine. There it comes, coming back. Is it picking up the leaves as it goes? It certainly is. Alrighty, I'll let it run for a bit, we'll come back later. This is the reason for the bunny hopping. Now look here, all of this super fine sand and dirt and dust that my normal pull vac won't get out. So as soon as it loses maximum suction, then you start to get the bunny hopping. If you clear that out, it's fine. So what I think is happening here is I'll need to condition the pool to get it to a state where I clean it every couple of weeks, and I won't have all of that fine sand in the bottom, and it'll clean without problem. Okay, now she's fully cleaned, you'll notice when it gets down to the bottom that you get a lot more turbulence on the surface of the water, and that's when you know maintained with 100% suction to the bottom again. And those fans start, and you get that on the water, that's when you know she's good to go. As it gets clogged up, sand build up, it loses that. Let's see how she goes now. I think I might have put it on the wrong setting because it's actually climbing the walls now. And here are the results from the first clean with the Aiper Seagull Pro. I think pretty safe to say for the first attempt that's done a pretty good job. There's a couple of leaves in there, but I think they fell in since I finished cleaning. A couple of points. It's actually the first clean, so it was really sandy and dirty underneath, so I probably had to clean it out 4 or 5 times to make sure that it kept going. It was doing that bunny hop, but every time you clean the filters out, put it back down, it's fine, and then the bunny hop starts again. You check it and it's because of all that sand, and I'll show you how much sand was in the bottom of this pool. So I'm pretty sure now with regular maintenance I won't have an issue at all with this thing. So for me, it's a thumbs up.